With game day right around the corner, I made sure I placed my order with the crab place early so it could be here on time for game day. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made crab cakes for my watch party.
I don't have to find an aesthetic. I am an aesthetic. I mean, I'm sure there's somebody out here right now who's going into Pinterest trying to type up all these adjectives to describe me.
For my game day appetizers, I will be making crab cakes. I feel like crab cakes are such an underrated game day food. Not only are they easy to make, but it feeds plenty in just a little bit of time. They're a low effort fix with lots of flavor, and it's a wow factor that you don't really see at normal parties. But you know me, we're not normal. We like doing the most, so this was right up my alley, and I'm going to show you how I pulled it all together for my game day watch party. So what you first see me doing is setting up my whole ambiance. I got all of my decor from Party City. Rest in peace to them. I got these back in November, and I stockpiled. Little did I know that they would be going out of business, and these will actually become nostalgic keepsakes. So yeah, big shout out to Party City. If you're able to buy table settings and little decorations like this, it definitely brings your entire party together. So I definitely think it's worth the investment. Now moving into these crab cakes, I really like doing these as a quick fix and something that's actually really, really good. I found that using a cupcake pan to make crab cakes has been a time saver and a lifesaver when it comes to wanting to keep them in a ball and not have to pan fry them or do anything extravagant to cook them. So what I like to do is like to put them into a little cupcake pan and smash them down with a spoon. And then once I get them all smashed so that there's like a flat top, I'll go ahead and add little dollops of butter on top so that when I add it into the oven and it sears and it crisps over a little bit, it cooks and it bubbles and it like fries it a little bit, but it's broiled. So I like doing that. It keeps the crab cakes juicy, and this method makes sure it's evenly cooked on all sides. Once you're all set up, you're going to go ahead and pop those in the oven at 375 for a good 15 to 18 minutes tops. You can serve these with anything else you have, but the crab cakes will be the main thing because they're so meaty, they're so good, and they're actually quite filling. You can add condiments like tartar sauce or cocktail sauce. You can add lettuce, tomatoes, and all that other stuff, but I kept it simple with just the crab cakes. There were some condiments that my guests were able to put on later, but these crab cakes spoke for themselves. So I hope my video inspired you to go above and beyond and possibly throw in some crab cakes into the mix just for a little razzle dazzle and for something unique, but yet, a little bougie and filling at the same time. You won't regret it. These crab cakes have won awards, okay? The crab place does not play when it comes to their seafood. Like, follow, and comment for more content like this. Thanks for watching.